Here's what we're working on today. We installed all these white pipes. They're 16-inch irrigation pipes coming off that pump. So we installed all those into the ground, and that one goes in the ground and across over to those outlets to fill those canals. And this one goes in the ground here and comes out right here, fills that canal and this other canal over here for the cows. And when we turned them on, filled them with water, the weight of the water made these plastic pipes flex really badly. So I made these saddles out of steel today. Cut them, welded them to hold the pipe, put them right in the center of the span, so it'll hold the middle of the pipe up, keep it from breaking. What happened is they were breaking off right at the fittings from the pipe flexing over and over and over. So I just bought a bunch of this stuff, just some 3-inch channel, some of this 2-inch, and then this is the old pipe. I just cut sections of this out for the saddle, and then I laid a few sheets of this real dense rubber down and made that saddle over there. I made all 4, one for each side. That side's got one, and then there's 2 more about a mile down the creek there that we just finished. So that's what I did today. Just made these little saddles.